What is up, my good dudes? It has just now started to rain just before I hit the video button.
Holy cow, Dad. You're missing out. Dude, you could see the whole freaking lawn.
Yo, I got this on video.
Okay. What are you gonna do with it?
It's in on YouTube.
Hello, YouTube. My YouTube name is C424.
Of course, man. It has to start raining when I started the video. That's funny.
Come on, Zeus. What do you do about it?
Remember that meme where you stick the shovel in the air and it says,
Strike me down, Zeus.
yeah, it was Corey
You
Kenshin.
don't have the balls. Hey, Governor, look, I'm gonna do that guy. I'm gonna stick my arm in the air. It says, strike me down, Zeus. You don't have. Oh, gosh,
wow.
That's scary. Strike me down, Zeus. You don't have the booze. Flash in 3, 2, 1. Whoa, I did the vice versa. Flash in 3, 2, 1. Fire. Oh, there's a little flash out in the distance. Guess that counts. Is it on night mode you put it on?
No, I did not put it on night mode. I don't think it works that way.
If I clap 2 times, a big flash will happen. No, 3 times. No. My bad, 5 times. Damn, dude. Oh my gosh!
That was right there.
Incoming!
That was a great one.
Goodness! That was huge! Gosh! Yeah, that was not even a mile away. He was just staring at me like, what's happening? Reese, you freaking missed. It was like, freaking cool.
Here, shut the door.
Strike me down, Zeus. You don't have the balls.
I think he said power. He said power. I think he said power.
No, he said you don't have the balls.
No, yeah. Is that? Ooh.
He didn't say
Dang.
power, Reese. He said you don't have the balls.
No. Yeah, that's what I said. You don't have
Reese, you always ruin it.
Suffer.
I don't have to suffer.
Oh yeah, you do.
Am I suffering? I would be crying.
Yes, you are.
You don't have the balls.
I'm going inside. That was that.
I literally mumbled to myself.
My brothers and sisters are such funny folks. What's up?
Strike me down, Zeus. You don't have the balls. You don't have the balls. Strike me down, Zeus. Oh, you don't have the balls. It was supposed to be your cue of strike me with lightning. Oh. Strike me down, Zeus. You don't have the balls. God dang it, dude. Strike me down, Zeus. Oh, okay. You don't have the balls. Man, I'm doing this off key. Strike me down, Zeus. You don't have the balls. Dude, when is it gonna freaking happen? Strike me down, Zeus. You don't have the balls.
God damn it. Dang it, dude.
Sorry.
Strike me down, Zeus. You don't have the balls. Strike me down, Zeus. You don't have the balls.
No, I apologize. My brother keeps trying to find the right time to do it.
Holy cow! That was crazy. It freaking struck lightning and then it rained harder. Dude, I almost had that on cue. I was literally about to record.
Here.
Boom, it just got quiet. Ow. Frick. Wow. Just quiet. What was that in the trees? That's sus. Oh, there it is. Whatever that is.
It's a mistletoe. Wow, now it just got all quiet. Okay.
That's weird. I'm all the places get also. Why?
It's, here.
Holy cow, dude. It's not even raining.
You don't have the balls.
Where's the shovel, Gunner?
What shovel?
I want to fling it in the air.
Alright, I apologize for all the ruckus. You would have caught that lightning strike right there, but didn't know it was going to happen. There we go.
Strike me down, Zeus. You don't have the balls.
Oh, I'm getting son.
Come on, camera, work with me. Nice one.
Strike me down, Zeus. Come on. You don't got the balls.
Oh,
Okay, Gil.
I got it already.
Strike me down, Zeus. I'm in the middle of my lawn. You can't do it because you don't got the balls.
Dude, it's a tactic like that. It's moving quick.
It is. It is.
Sucks that snow. Strike me down, Zeus. You don't got the balls.
Oh, glad I cut that on time.
right above us. Starting to get harder.
Well, I'm probably gonna cut the video here short. It's about to get bad out here. Even though I could have done this on the patio more, but I just want to get a bigger shot out here. Ooh. All right, I'll cut it off right here, guys. Peace out.